On this video, I'm going to share with you a way you can make money on the side. I consider this the easiest way to make money on the side because of the method I'm going to be sharing with you. I'm also going to review a secret website that you can actually use to make this happen. I consider this also as an alternative to Etsy because you don't really need to pay anything like to list your item on this website. So let's go into the tutorial. So first, we're going to go to this website called freepik.com. This is where you will get already designed templates of different things that you may be needing to be able to make money. So we're going to go by things that are going to be trending any moment. We're going to be looking at Halloween. So we type in Halloween greeting card. So once that is done, we look at the template it's going to bring out for us, and then we choose from there to know the one we're going to be using for our design. So I think I like this one. We're going to open it by clicking on it. Now you can see here it says free license. What it means is that you can check more about it here, where it says for commercial and personal projects on digital printed media. You see how you can use it, like it's for commercial and personal projects, so it is safe for you to use. So once you have done that, you click download, but you have to make sure that you check for this. It says attribution is required, so you look for how to attribute here. And once you have done that, you read through all this and then you copy the link. That's the only way you'll be safe using this. So now that we have gotten our image and copied the link, we're going to use this for the next step. So for the next step, we go to this website called PostOnMyWall. This website is quite not too popular because a lot of people don't really get to use it to do what I'm going to be showing you on this video. So now that we have gotten here, we're going to start by creating a design with the template you downloaded. So you click here, new design. So you click create from scratch. Now I want this to be for Instagram, so I'm going to click Instagram post. So now the next thing we're going to do is to download the image that we got from Freepik. It's that simple. Click upload background. Here it is. I'm taking it from here. So now it's done. We're going to crop it to fit this size. Click crop. So here we are. Now the only thing we need to do is just add a few text, and that will be it. So to do this, you go to text. I want to use a fancy text. I'm going to add fancy text. So I think I will look for this. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to add. So I'm going to add it. I'm going to reduce it. So now I'm going to add another text. This time I'll just duplicate this and I will edit it here. So now I don't really like the color. I'm going to change the color. So here, go to this place. So this is just it. Once you are done, now you're going to be listing this out where people that visit this site comes and they can see it and they buy your artwork, and then they use it for Instagram post. So now what you're going to do is you go over to this place. It says file. Look for submit as template. For the tag, you see a lot of stuff, so I'm going to look for the one that best suits my design. The category you're going to be choosing is just two for the template. So you say I accept the terms and I acknowledge and understand what I have the right to use. So once you're done with this, you hit submit design. Your template has been submitted. So you see, so here it is. You're going to put everything here. Don't forget the link for the attribute you copied so that you'll be on the safe side. So now you need to understand that there are a lot of things that you need to put in place before you start using the site. Things like your PayPal account must be very much handy. So to start submitting the design, you put your name, the name of the design, and say Halloween. So let's talk a little bit more about this website. There is a way you can find out trending things that you can use to make your design on before you start creating your design. And you can actually do your design here on this website. I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's say we want to find out about popular things that need to be designed, like popular ones that people are willing to buy. So we go to this place, it says dashboard. So you see popular themes that need design. So these are things, and it even has suggested keywords you can use once you are ready to submit for publishing. So what you're going to do is just choose ones that best suit what you can do. Like for this one, I'm going to be using World Mental Health Day, and I'm going to be designing it on this website so that you know how to design on the website if you don't really like if you can design, and if you can't design, you can use free picks. The initial strategy I used at the beginning is going to help you and save you a lot of stress. So let's do that of world mental health, and I'm going to design it here. So to get started, I go to my designs. To do this, you stay create and start from scratch. You look for Instagram posts, use materials that are already here on the website. So we're going to look for a gradient. Gradient is more like a combination of different patterns. So I don't want a linear type, I want a radial type. Let's do this. Oh, this is cool. So once we have gotten the gradients and the background we want, we go to elements, look for clip art. This, need to pick this, add clip. Okay, it has appeared. I'm going to keep it here and I'm going to drag it. So now the next thing to do is to add our text. I'm going to look for text. I want fancy text. So once you're done, you go back to file again and then submit it here. Now you have to keep in mind that before your design gets published, it's going to take like a day because they have to go through it, because they have guidelines you have to follow. You must not have blurry image, you must not use image that has copyright, and to put attributes on from the free pick website we got our background from. I'm going to show you how I do mine, because part of the rules before using the background that you have downloaded. So because the image that I just created is still published, I'm going to show you how I did the previous one that I published so that you know how it's done. Please, if you're seeing value in this video and really want to learn other ways to make money online, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you get more videos from me as I make them. So once it has published your design, you're going to see something like this. It's going to appear this way. So here is where you can like put the link that you have gotten like from the free pick website. Like you can put your write-up and give credit, background credit to the link, like say something like this. So you put it here and then you add comments. This is a place people that come here can actually see, because it's part of the rules from the website you got it from. So you stay safe, like without your account being suspended or your design being rejected. Now, it's important to keep in mind that this website pays you 35% of the royalties from the sales you have made, and they have tons of people visiting the website every month, and provided you use the relevant tags, you're sure to make sales. And to increase your chances of making sales, you have to like keep like uploading designs on a daily basis, and of course you have to like add some level of creativity to the designs you're going to be uploading so that you start better chances of people purchasing your design. And of course there is the place I showed you here where you can see popular and trending themes that you can actually use to make your design, so that once people see it, they can actually want to buy it and then you earn money from it. If you don't really have the patience to start designing anything or even copying any design from anywhere, this video here is where I explain where you can make money on a daily basis by just doing little tasks. And if you also have the time to like use free AI bots to like create something that will pay you huge amount of money and it is immediate, you can also check this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't fail to like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps, and I'll see you in the next one.